All right, so here's where my engine lives, inside the doghouse here once you get rid of the stairs, and we'll take a look. Hey guys, Dave the MMP back on Yola. Still not convinced that my alternator is working properly. I'm going to take the old one off. It's a 60 amp and put the new 100 amp on and make sure it fits with my bulkhead and my stairs, and we'll see how it charges. Okay, stairs gone. The engine kind of sits out a little bit, proud from the bulkhead, and here's my alternator, and I'm worried that the 100 is going to be just a little bit bigger and might cause interference with this bulkhead, so I'll have to see how she fits and try and fit the bulkhead after. I might have to trim that and change my seal for my stairs. Alright, so I got the old alternator out, was right here, and I'll try and test fit the new one, see how she fits with the bulkhead. Okay, here's the two alternators side by side. This is the old one, it's a 60 amp. This is the new one, it's a 100 amp. The mounts look the same, the wiring all looks the same. The other one plugged into the back, but this one's just got a pigtail, so that should fit just fine. And the pulleys look the same. This is what I'm worried about. This one's got the fan on the front of it, and I think the fan is going to be contacting my bulkhead. This one didn't have it. It must have an internal fan inside, so that might be a problem. Alright, new alternator looks pretty good. I haven't put this lower bracket on yet because I don't know how this fan is going to contact the bulkhead. I haven't tried it yet, so let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I was actually worried about the fan, but that's not actually the problem. It's the case is actually touching, and the diesel is going to rock around a little bit and vibrate when it's running. So it's definitely going to be hitting this bulkhead and making lots of noise. The bulkhead looks like it's pretty well seated. It's not quite there, but I got a bit of interference there. So I'm going to have to trim this a little bit bigger, and hopefully, I mean, somebody trimmed this from the old alternator. It's quite a big hole there. You still don't see that with the stairs installed. Even there's a bilge plumbing down here, and you don't see that either. That gets covered up by the stairs. So it's close, but just a little bit of trim there. All right, guys, ran into a little technical problem when I tried to put in that alternator. I fired the diesel up and it actually didn't work. Something wrong with it internally, so, or I've hooked it up the wrong way, but it's really only got two studs on it. It's an isolated negative, and that's connected properly. So I don't know what the issue is with it, but I'm going to take it home and bench test it. So for now, I've got the old Yanmar 60 amp alternator back in the boat in case I want to go sailing, and see what's up with the new alternator. Okay guys, thanks for watching to the end. That's it for me for this week, and I'll see you next weekend for some more sailboat DIY. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.